Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its usage and some professional tips on your pain management. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you 3 simple, easy stretches that you can do in order to prevent leg pain. Friends, leg pain is a common problem. But do you know, many studies and researches have proven that if you do regular warm-up and cool-down exercises, you can prevent your leg pain to a lot of extent. And a very core part of cool-down and warm-up exercises are stretching exercises or stretches of the muscle. And when it comes to leg muscles, there are 3 important muscles that needs to be stretched over and over again in order to maintain good flexibility and prevent injury. Quadriceps muscles, also called as front thigh muscle. Hamstring muscle, also called as your back thigh muscle, and your calf muscle. These 3 muscles are always at higher risk of developing tightness, and this tightness leads to abnormal movement patterns or else limited mobility in the muscles, and when you try to do some activity at that time, this limited mobility can lead to further injury and damage and causes pain. Hence, in order to prevent this pain, it's important that these muscles needs to be stretched on a regular basis. So now, without wasting any due time, let's understand how to perform these 3 stretches.
The first stretch that you need to do is a calf muscle stretch. For this, you need to take the help of theraband and place it on your forefoot. Now pull this theraband towards yourself. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. You need to perform this stretching exercise for 3 repetitions. The next stretch is for hamstring muscle, the muscle that lies behind your thigh. For this, place your leg over a stool, bend forward from the hip and try to touch your greater toe with the help of hand. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. You need to perform this particular stretching exercise for 3 repetitions. And the third muscle that needs to be stretched is the quadriceps muscle or else the front thigh muscle. For this, you need to stand straight with the help of some support and then bend your knee and try to touch your heel to the hips. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. And perform this exercise for 3 repetitions.
So friends, this is how you can stretch your leg muscles on a regular basis in order to prevent leg pain. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video to your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.